Remember one thing, no matter how much it hurts you right now, because one day when you will look back, you will realize that it actually made you stronger. Hello and welcome, this is Tushar Rathod and today we are going to talk on suicide is not an option. So let's begin. Last year while reading a newspaper, I got to know the news that there was a boy in 12th standard and he was really brilliant. And his dream was to score 98% in 12th standard board exam. For that, he planned each and every day, each and every moment according to his dream to score 98%. He was so much involved in his dream that actually he started to imagine that he will get his dream college. Soon exams got over and results were out. He got 96%. Just because of the remaining 2%, he committed suicide. And it is not one or two example, my dear friends. According to the data of 2015's National Crime Record Bureau, each year on average 8,934 students commit suicide due to depression and failure. Okay, it was an example of extreme level, but let's understand this in the deeper way. Every year, lakhs of people are getting depressed and struggling to get rid over the depressions. According to WHO, India ranked globally at level 6 for depression. And these people are losing their hopes, losing their confidence for the life, the future, and commit suicide. And the big question is why? And the answer to this question is really simple, my dear friends. Okay, I would like to give an example of life with relating to the cricket. Imagine a cricket match and you are a batsman. There is no wicket behind you, not a wicket keeper and not even a single fielder on the ground. It is just between you and the life. Life is throwing ball at you, my dear friends. And unfortunately, if you missed one ball, now will you commit suicide? If you are a parent, will you ask your child to die just because of one shot that he missed, just because the one ball he missed? No. Okay, let's analyze this example of life in a deeper way. Every ball that life is throwing at you is actually our opportunities and difficulties. It is upon you to defend, to duck the bouncers and strike at opportunities, my dear friends. If you miss the one single opportunity, life will give you one more. And if you miss that again, life will give you endless of opportunities, my dear friends. It is upon you to strike at one single opportunity and grab your success. No power in this world can dominate you, can beat you until and unless you left the stadium, you walk out of the stadium. So my dear friends, never ever give up. Stay strong and believe in yourself because जिंदगी में सबसे ज्यादा अगर कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट है ना तो वो है खुद जिंदगी. थैंक यू.